Welcome to another vlog, CarFreak 458. Hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I was trying to compile some of the old footage that we've been recording back in Oman with the Nissan Patrol, and which was amazing, and that video has one of the most views on my channel as well. So some of the footage that I never ever put in an original video, as well as the some of the fire getting out of the straight pipe Nissan Patrol, and as well as the sound and some acceleration. It's a very short video, but I hope that you will enjoy, because I thought it would be interesting to share something like that with you, and because I never used to, and I thought that you might enjoy watching this short video, as I said, considering the whole situation and being hard to record around, and also I was just looking for the Nissan Patrol on the Bezel and trying to find what are the prices, how they're ranking and everything these days. And I can tell you that still, like 2017-18 is still around 110,000 dirhams, going to 150, 160,000 for 2019 or 2020. So, and it's a pretty popular car in the UAE and in the GCC as well. People love it. All the Arabs, they love it, and it's kind of a must to have in your garage if you are a real petrol head here in the Gulf or the GCC, as well as the Dubai and UAE. So enjoy the video and stay tuned for more to come. CarFreak 458.
Wait, how much petrol did we consume today? 10 riyal you put? I think it's still 8 and 10.
It's not in 10. It's like, yeah, not that much. I mean, look.
I saw.
That one is for the Instagram.
Yeah.
Alright guys, as usual, safe and sound from the trip. The car did amazing job. It's so hot. You can make the breakfast on it. That's it for today. As I said, like, a lovely experience in this VTC Patrol. So, another shout out to Fura, Ajmal, and car owner, basically for letting us drive and experience this beautiful Japanese machine, Y61. What else? That's it, right? Likes, share, subscribe, CarFreak 458, and see you in other videos. Peace.